How to change country on Shein. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video tutorial, we'll be discussing about changing your country on Shein application. So now let's get started. First of all, go ahead and launch the application. Make sure that you're logged in with your specific account. Now tap on the Me icon from the bottom right corner of the screen. And then tap on the gear icon in the top right corner of the screen. From here, tap on location that you will find between show an outfit and language option. Tap on it. From here, simply go ahead and search for the location that you'd like to set. Well, after that, scroll down. Go ahead and change your currency. Then you will be logged out of your Shein account. Simply go ahead and re-log in. So that's it for the video. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.